Dogecoin. YOLO! What's going on, guys? Doge here, and today I'm going to talk about this article I just came across, all right? And yes, this is not a clickbait title. 52% of Dogecoin holders are still in profit, including myself, even though I know there are a lot of people that bought into Dogecoin last year that are in the negatives, along with a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. If you bought pretty much anything last year after, say, February, you're probably down right now, okay? So before we get into this video, before I talk about this, I want to make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe button, notification bell, and all that good stuff so you don't miss any more of my future videos, because I got a lot more coming up soon, okay? So let's talk about this real quick. The name of this article is 52% of Dogecoin addresses remain in profit despite recent price drop, and it is by Today. Okay, so let's jump into this article really quickly and I'll tell you my thoughts on it. So check it out. A total of 52% of Dogecoin addresses are in profit on their investments at a current price of 6 cents, according to data from Into the Block. This comes despite the fact that Dogecoin remains down nearly 90% from its May 2021 peak of around 73 cents. And I believe it went all the way to 75 cents if I'm not mistaken. Into the Block's in/out of the money gives the percentage of addresses that are profiting in the money, breaking even at the money, or losing money out of the money on their positions at the current price. The in/out of the money indicators also look at unrealized profits and losses for addresses that are holding the cryptocurrency currently. Currently, this indicator shows that 52% of Dogecoin addresses are profiting, 46% of the remaining addresses are at a loss, and barely 2% are breaking even. Compared with Bitcoin and other altcoins, Dogecoin seems to be holding well in this regard. Dogecoin rebounded from lows of 4 cents on June 18th and recorded 6 out of 9 days of positive price action. The bears sold nearly the daily MA50 at nearly 7.7 cents on June 27th. At the time of publication, Dogecoin was changing hands at 6.7 cents, down 4% in the last 24 hours and up 6.21% in the past week per CoinMarketCap data. If buyers attempt again to push the price above the MA50 at 7.7 cents, Doge might rally to 9 cents and then attempt the psychological 10-cent level. On Wednesday, Bitcoin temporarily dipped below the $20,000 level as the market was still being affected by a number of factors such as macroeconomic troubles with cryptocurrency firms. A recession in the United States and abroad is feared as long as inflation continues to be high and central banks try to raise interest rates further. So yeah, guys, I mean, if you really look at it, Dogecoin is actually outperforming a lot of other cryptos in the space that are down lower than they were right before the bull run last year. If you look at it, Bitcoin is lower than it was, I think the last time Bitcoin was under $20,000 was towards the end of 2020, right? So if you go back to the graphs and you look at the charts and you see where it's at, it was climbing up towards the end of 2020, and in 2021 it started shooting up to like $30,000, right? And it was around 30,000 for a little while. Same thing with Ethereum dropped under $1,000 to like 900, 800, almost I think $700, and towards the end of 2020 that's where it was at, and then in 2021 it started shooting back up, right? So Dogecoin around that same time period was under a penny. It was under a cent. It didn't cross over the 1 penny mark until the end of January, I want to say 27th, 28th, and then it shot up to 8 cents, dropped back down to 2 cents, and then shot back up to 4 or 5 cents, and it stayed around that mark, went up to 9 cents, came back down to 5, 4 cents, and it was there for about 2 months, right? So right now, we're still above where Dogecoin was in the beginning of 2021. In comparison to a lot of other cryptocurrencies, it's actually outperforming a lot of them currently, to the point where over half of people that currently hold Dogecoin are currently in profit, which is incredible news. I personally am one of those holders that are in profit right now. If you're not in profit, if you're down for whatever reason, if your average isn't 6 cents, if your average is 10 cents, 15, 20 cents, and you do believe in Dogecoin long term, and you do want to hold on to Dogecoin for the foreseeable future, it makes sense for you to DCA, or dollar cost average, your price point to get it lower and lower and lower, especially at these prices that you can buy in on Dogecoin at 6 cents, 7 cents. You can continue to bring that price down lower. If Dogecoin hits 5 cents or below, I will be personally buying a lot more Dogecoin, because that's the price point that I had originally bought it at. So why not keep buying it at around that point? Because it seems like we have a pretty strong, firm ground level. I want to say the bottom is about 4 or 5 cents, because that's where we were at before the crazy run up, right? So if it gets around that, that's pretty down low. Like that's pretty near the bottom, if not the bottom. So why not continue to accumulate more Dogecoin and continue to, dollar cost average down and get your price point as low as possible, okay? Because the next run up is going to be legendary. It's going to be astronomical when Bitcoin goes back to $100,000, whether that happens in the next 6 months, whether that happens in the next year, whether that happens in the next 2 years. You better believe that the altcoins will also rise right along with Bitcoin and shoot for the stars and shoot for the moon. And Dogecoin will be getting up there once again to the 50-cent mark, 60-cent mark, 75-cent mark, and $1 eventually. So we will get there at some point. I have no doubt about that, and I don't know how long it's going to take, but we're holding on strong. We're holding on for the long term. So I hope you guys are holding along with me. If you do believe in Dogecoin, if you don't, then you don't have to hold Dogecoin. Sell your Dogecoin, buy something else. But I promise you, a lot of other cryptocurrencies are a lot down, are down a lot lower than Dogecoin is. And like I said, Dogecoin is outperforming. And then we also have other things on the horizon, right? We're not just wishful thinking over here. We have things that are still yet to happen. We still have the Doge 1 mission to the moon happening in December 2022. We still have Tesla that's supposed to be accepting Dogecoin here in the near future. Who knows how long it's going to take? Obviously, Elon can't just come out and just allow you to buy Tesla cars with Dogecoin. It has to be approved by the board and all that. So we don't know how long that's going to take, but you can already buy Tesla merch with Dogecoin on the website. Pretty soon you'll be able to buy SpaceX merch with Dogecoin on the website as well. Elon has already announced that. And we also have the diner. Like nobody's talking about this, but Tesla filed for plans for a diner, drive-in theater, supercharger on Santa Monica Boulevard in Hollywood. And Elon came out on Twitter and said they will be accepting Dogecoin for their diner. So that's also another, bullish news that's up here coming in the future. And I just wanted to come on here and share this awesome news with you guys. Pretty short video today. Like I said, I just wanted to share that article. And we can jump into my portfolio here in a little bit. Let me tell you guys about DogeCard real quick in case you guys don't know. I've been working with this company for a while now. DogeCard, boom, 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 boom. I actually use this for damn near everything. I buy food with this. I pay gas with this. I pay my rent with this. And every single time I use this card, I get Dogecoin back as a reward. So I'm passively accumulating Dogecoin every single time I pay for anything that I'm going to be buying anyway. And I just get Dogecoin back. So DogeCard, this is what it looks like. We also have it on Apple Pay, so you can have it on your phone, on your watch. Super dope. I'll leave the link in the description. Go check that out. See if it's something that you're interested in. And if not, that's fine too. You know what I mean? Do what you want to do. But yeah, let's jump into my portfolio, and I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys like my Ledger shirt. I like this Ledger shirt, right? So I got another video coming up pretty soon where I went to New York, NYC NFT. There was a whole bunch of events up there. Super dope. I want to share my experiences up there with you guys. I did a collaboration with Ledger, kind of did a little takeover over there. I was also hanging out with the Happy Goats people. I got NFTs with them. Those are the homies that I've known for years. I was also out there with Doge Vodka, which is also Spirit Punk. Shout out to them. Also collaborating with them. So I want to share that with you guys too. So I got a whole video that I filmed kind of like a vlogish style where I went to New York and kind of did the whole New York thing. Super fun, super dope. That's coming up soon. And I also got some super awesome news coming up soon that I want to share with you guys here. So yeah, this is just, I actually paid for this shirt. They didn't give me this. Like I paid $45 for this shirt plus tax. It was like 50 bucks, right? Because it's a collaboration Ledger did with the Hundreds, and I'm a fan of the Hundreds. Shout out to the Hundreds. They also did a collaboration with Back to the Future. I got a bunch of stuff they released with that. That was back in like 2015. So anyways, yeah, let's jump to my portfolio, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. I drank a lot of cold brew today, so I'm pretty energetic. Finger guns. Did I do that already? I don't know. All right, guys, so here's my portfolio for today. I am currently at $250,000, $251,000. And in the past hour, we are up 1%. We're up $2,400. And just today, though, today we might be a little bit lower, all right? We might be a little bit lower. We're at $2,600 as a lower, And then this week, we're up, though. This week, we're up $3,600. This month, we are down $92,000. In the past 3 months, we are down $300,000. In the past year, we're down $732,000. You like how I just zoomed past the down parts? But of all time, though, let's slow it down. We are up $115,000, 85% of all time. How much did I do today? So today we are at 6.4 cents, a little bit lower than we were yesterday. We were at 7 cents yesterday, but we've been here for a little bit now. Topped out almost at 8 cents last week, which was a pretty sight to see, to behold. This I still believe is the floor, but you know, I could be wrong. 5.2 cents. If it goes anywhere near 5 cents again, I will be buying more Dogecoin, and I'll do a video about it because I believe in it full for the foreseeable future. You know how I roll. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. My position, in case you didn't know, now you know, I am sitting at 3.9 million Dogecoins. I have not sold a single Dogecoin since I initially bought it on Robinhood, and my equity is $250,000, $250,000. Average cost basis is 4.7 cents. My portfolio diversity is 100% in on Dogecoin, and my total return is $66,000. So yeah. So that's where we're at, guys. Do not forget that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence, your own research into crypto before investing in crypto, or in the stock market before investing in the stock market. And always remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, notification button, all that good stuff, so you don't miss any more of my future videos. And that's pretty much it. I think that's all I got for you guys today. But I will have another video coming up soon, and just stay tuned. Alrighty. Yo. See you on the next one. Peace.